In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace a screen protector on an iPhone Pro Max smartphone. Okay, so the screen protector is damaged, so I'm going to remove this. And as you can see, it protected the phone. So only the screen protector cracked, the phone is good. Okay, so here's the screen protector. Okay, so you have two sets of wipes. So you take this out. This is the wet one. Make sure the whole screen is wiped. Okay, now open the dry one. And make sure to work in a environment with no dust, because as you're doing this, even after you finish cleaning it, dust can come onto the phone, and if dust gets on the phone in between the screen protector, you're going to have bubbles, and it's not going to work out well. Okay, just don't touch it, don't put any fingerprints on it. Just push your thumb in the center and just let it spread out. Okay, there you go. The screen protector is installed, so I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like this video, and thank you for tuning in.